Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident, where we live trade crypto on every single video that we come out with here. Guys, Uniswap, I actually don't think I've ever covered this in this video. You guys know I'm covering all 15 of these currencies over at tradeconfident.io. I don't know if you know this, but tradeconfident.io is the website of our YouTube channel. Every single post on here is live trading the top 15 currencies. And although I don't do videos for all of them, I am constantly updating the trade calls. This is the trade that we're in right now. And I'm giving you guys all the trade updates over here for free. Eventually I will be charging because I'm making you guys good money on this, but you guys can see this. So last call I made on here, I actually ended up having a sell limit up here at $31.79. And I also moved it down here just to make sure in case we started seeing some bearish movement, which we did. If we get a spike back up here, we might actually start hitting that. And I moved that to 23.68. So what are we looking at here for Uniswap? But first, let me go over some news here real quick. This is kind of cool. How Uniswap version 3 begun a new age of efficiency for DeFi. Let me just read this quick snippet for you guys so you can tell your friends about this. Moreover, due to its efficiency, Uniswap version 3 can provide better trades for a trading pair between stablecoins and a token. Okay, the research predicts that these pairs will become dominant over time and have a bigger role in the exchange's future. That's really cool. More progress moving forward for Uniswap. Great fundamental news, okay? Let's go over, are we going up or are we going down? I want you guys to look at these indicators here because this is how I've been calling these pumps and these dumps actually very accurately. Uniswap, for those of you guys who are in here, we ended up getting up here and then we actually got our second buy limit hit at 21.57. Now what happened? The actual entry price, which I originally had at 25.78, got moved down automatically. You guys who are over here, I actually explained this to you in the beginning on all my live trades. I literally tell you my full strategy. Here it is. Current trade setup for UNI USD. This trade calls for 4 buy limits, so 25% cash allocation at each level. For example, if you have $1,000, I want to enter, if I, no financial advice given on this channel or on this website, got to put that out there. If I have $1,000, I want to enter with this trade, I would put, this is what I literally do, $250 at each buy limit. And here are the buy limits. So this is what it originally looked like. But we did hit our first buy limit and we hit our second buy limit at 21.57, which then ended up moving our BE, which is called our break-even entry, down to 23.72. So a lot of people who originally entered here, you know, with normal trades, like all these guys right here, they're in the negative at the moment, about a total of, let's call it about 10%. But you guys who are in here, you're only down, I would say you're down less than 3% in the trade right now, 2.62, yeah. So if this target's hit for a sell limit, you guys are looking at 25.85%. I love this setup here for Uniswap. Take a look at the trend exhaustion. The last time we got down this low, we saw a nice pump. We saw a pump in here of actually 19%. So 19% would definitely push us into the green here. Also, I want you guys to be looking at the price versus money flow. As the price has been dipping down, money has been flowing into UNI. You don't see it on the actual candles because obviously it's going down, but in the background here, if you start seeing the whale starting to buy the dips, that's a good sign we could be heading up. As we saw consolidation over here, we saw money dropping out of the market, which is negatively correlated, which is why I believe exactly why we saw a drop in here. Price was moving up, but the whales were not buying into it. Consolidation to this point, trying to push a higher high, clearly moving up. What was happening down here? Clearly, the whales were dumping out on everybody and selling their positions, which created a in the market. Well, we actually see some buying power coming in here on the dip, as well as the trend exhaustion down here at the bottom where we could see a pump here. Now, the trend dashboard is what's telling me what all the retail traders are looking to do because they trade the RSI, they trade the stochastic. Guys, I've worked with thousands of traders. They look at the RSI, they look at the stochastic, the MACDs, and they look at their moving averages because they want to trade with the trend and they want to trade with momentum. So I think a lot of people are nervous in here as far as a retail trader, and they're not subscribed to this channel and they're not watching this, but I can see that there's actually money moving into this dip. So over the weekend, yes, we could drop down a little bit more here. We could get, drop down to our second buy limit, but I'm actually feeling more optimistic about you and I over the weekend that we could start seeing a profit into this trade. Now, let me leave you with this. Those of you guys who are in this trade and you want to hop in here, this is where I'm looking to take profit, is at 29.82. But as mentioned on other videos, you guys can take profit This is obviously like a duh, but I feel like I have to point this out. You don't have to wait for the sell limit to get hit. I go between 10 to 20% profit on every single one of my trades. Yes, I've come out here and shown you guys I made 80% on 80%, not 80% on Cardano. I made like 56% on another coin that I've shown you guys on this channel. Yes, I've made more, obviously, but profits between 10 to 20% is what I'm targeting for every single trade that I come out with on tradeconfident.io. So if you're looking for a place to follow live trading with actually real money that I'm trading in this market, I'm down $100 today. Real money that we're trading in this market, I'm doing this on this YouTube channel. So subscribe if you guys want to follow along. I think we're going to be bullish over the weekend for you and I, but we'll have to see. Make sure you guys are managing this trade, not financial advice, but I would personally have buy limits set and ready to go in the exchange just in case we head down, as well as sell limits in case we spike up here. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. You guys just mean so much to me. I appreciate it a lot. Thanks for growing this channel, and I will give you guys the best that I have in every single video. God bless you guys. Have an amazing weekend. Bye-bye.